Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Tom Clancy's The Division 2 Delta-03 error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to go view network connections, then find your internet connection here. Then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, internet protocol version 4, and make sure internet protocol version 6 is disabled. And then here, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server need to write 8.8.8.8. and on alternate 8.8.4.4, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you need to write 1.1.1.1, and here you need to write 1.0.0.1. Apply the changes and then look if the problem persists after that. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up CMD, command prompt, use as admin, and then write few commands: IP, config, /flush DNS. Another command is -winsock reset. After that, look if the problem persists. Then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to a network and internet, advanced network settings, and network reset will be here. Reset your network. And after that, look if the problem persists again. If nothing is working, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. Look for Tom Clancy's Division 2. Then you need to choose a region and server, select closest to you, and then apply the routes, and then launch the game, and you should not be getting any errors here. Exit lag, I believe, is paid. You can get, I believe, a free trial of the 30 or 14 days if you click my link in the description below. Download the app and then set up everything, and it should work for you. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.